Welcome to CarPlayHacks.com, your ultimate destination for enhancing your car's entertainment system. Today, we're going to introduce you to an incredible tool that will take your Android Auto experience to the next level. CarStream. This innovative application is a game changer for Android Auto enthusiasts, offering a plethora of features that open up a world of possibilities. From unrestricted streaming of apps like YouTube and Netflix directly on your Android Auto display to accessing a wide range of third-party applications not typically available on the platform, CarStream delivers a seamless integration experience. Now, let's walk you through the easy installation process of CarStream. You can download the CarStream app from our app, WheelPal. WheelPal is an app that helps you to install any app to CarPlay or even Android Auto. Not only the CarStream app, visit CarPlayHacks.com to download the WheelPal app with our step-by-step guides. Follow the instructions to download and install the CarStream APK on your smartphone, and be sure to grant the necessary permissions to ensure smooth integration with Android Auto. CarStream is compatible with various versions of Android Auto. In conclusion, with CarStream, you can unlock a whole new world of entertainment and functionality on your Android Auto system. Head over to our website now to get started. Visit CarPlayHacks.com today for a wide range of solutions to enhance your car's entertainment system. Apps, guides, and much more await you.
Thank you for watching CarPlay Hacks. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and leave a comment. Also, visit our socials for more exciting tech content.